it's Lydia. I'm with Auburn and Dawn, and they're gonna do my makeup each side, and we're gonna see whose is better. Oh, Dawn, get those 3 palettes right there. Actually, get the top 2 right there. Look inside of it. You really want to use those colors?
Yes, the blue.
Yes.
Yes.
Why would we not?
Start with, okay, you're doing blender.
Tie your hair.
Okay. Now we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pump it on here. And you guys, we're gonna have to work from the same thing.
Already?
Start down here, start at my
Oh.
face. Split. You're gonna have to go to town though. Here, use the back of it. It'll work better. Like, oh, actually, you're doing pretty good.
Okay.
Ooh, Auburn side looks good. You just gotta blend more, Dawn.
More?
Okay.
My hair.
Wait, what?
This is so fun.
I told you.
That's enough. I'm gonna
Okay.
do very limited. I don't want to waste your
Okay.
stuff.
Well, thanks.
I want to waste your stuff.
I can't actually see it.
It's like a little wrinkly, so just like close your eye. Yeah, like that.
Oh my gosh, your fat cat can jump.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that one vein in your eye is scary.
Good, I'm impressed. Good job, guys.
You're lying to me.
It actually does look good though. Like, I'm sure. So now we're gonna use Coty Airspun powder, translucent powder. Okay, so Dawn, I'm not gonna tell you how to use it. Just go for it. And same with you.
Do I put a lot?
I would just press it in there.
Does it
and
go
then
all
press.
over your face?
Mostly under my eye, but yes, technically. Not.
You just said that you're not gonna tell him where to put it.
Yeah, sorry. I should. No, don't.
Oh, not a
It's
lot.
fine. Set it and forget it.
It's not good. I think I need more.
Well, I should have guessed you were gonna make it more. And you have to have watched some because you're kind of good.
Turn
Whoa.
this
But
way.
P.
Okay,
I gotta tell him like.
let's get that cool. Okay. So, oh god, Kim's calling.
Blend her out a little bit.
Yeah.
Blend her. Blend. No, but okay, never mind. I'll let you do it. Then take your glasses off.
Swirl. That's it.
Cute.
The line. Don't just kind of watching what I do and then you just
Oh
kind
yeah, I should let Dom go first. Every time. Okay. Highlight.
Thanks.
Eyeshadow.
Wow, so
Hey.
loud. Ooh, I know which one I want to do.
Auburn, you compare the brushes.
Maybe I should do
just-
rainbow.
Yay. Okay.
You can have like a skunk look with
Okay.
like black and white.
Let's start with this brush. Oh, am I going first?
You can.
We should
go
do it at the same time.
I-
The first color I'm
Dawn,
gonna.
this is not your video.
The first.
You have to get in it. I don't want
First
to get
color I'm
on.
gonna put is under her eyebrows. Let's do red. Oh.
You could do rainbow from that side on. I'll do rainbow from this side on.
How do you blend?
I got you
Go
in
back
the
and
end.
forth.
Oh.
Okay.
But
So
lightly,
there's that.
like swirl, like light wrist swirls.
Yeah, that doesn't look.
On the rainbow part. But Dawn, I mean, I like the pigment. The line is.
Oh, I can't really see it.
That's enough.
Oh.
Like.
Yeah, I need to be more focused on quiet.
I'm sorry.
Am I allowed to tell you what you need?
No.
Kind of is. It's so cringy.
That looks good.
Wait, let me see.
I sat on it.
You sound.
Yeah.
Ones did she use the most?
I was going straight for the nose.
Oh. Okay. The highlight, I think it goes.
I definitely.
Yeah.
You know why I picked this color, right? Because she used it the most.
Oh, tea. Wait, do you watch my videos?
No, I saw that it's used.
Oh, you're right. Smell it. No.
Okay, so I saw. Get that Cupid book. Okay. Why don't you ever wear this one, Lydia?
I...
Lydia, don't pucker your lip.
Okay.
No, get.
Wow.
I honestly think my side's better.
I don't know. Guys,
I'll
thank
record.
you for watching
Sure.
my video with Auburn and Dawn. Rudolph. So yeah, like and subscribe. I'll leave Dawn's channel down below. Go watch our mukbang. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post